Hey everybody, Professor Benelo here with a little motivational video to get you psyched up for Unit 3. Hard to believe we're already getting into Unit 3, but here we are. Okay, so let's go over my office hour chat schedule for the week. Monday, January 20th, Martin Luther King Day. I will be having my regularly held office hours from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. And Tuesday, January 21st, I'll be having chat number 3 at our regularly scheduled time. Please see our class schedule for that. Okay, so Tuesday, which will be January 21st, very important day to keep in mind. You have two important things due. Firstly, you have your Unit 2 and Telepath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And secondly, and very importantly, you have your Unit 2 discussion board response post due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Very important to get these response posts in. This is where you're responding to two of your classmates, because after January 21st, I will no longer accept Unit 2 discussion board response posts. So please get those in. You should have already gotten in your Unit 2 discussion board original post, which was due last night, Friday, January 17th. If you haven't gotten that in, get it in as quickly as possible. Extremely important assignment and very important to get this in. Remember, the key to the 5.5-week semester is getting things done early and getting it turned in early. Don't let things snowball. So please get these in. You have two incredibly important assignments in the Unit 2 discussion board and the Unit 4 discussion board. So definitely want to get this in. Okay, with that said, your Unit 3 due dates. Friday, which will be January 24th, you will have your Unit 3 determined knowledge due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Remember, determined knowledge is always due on Fridays, my dear students. And doing the determined knowledge is important for the Friday deadline because completing the determined knowledge allows the system to create the nodes or learning path that you must complete for Tuesday. Okay, so Friday the 24th, your Unit 3 determined knowledge is due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then Tuesday the 28th, your Unit 3 and Telepath is due. So get working on that Unit 2 DB, and please feel free to either reach out to me through email or through C2 Messenger if you have absolutely any questions. Okay, stay C2 strong, everybody. You got this. And I will see you in our chat on Tuesday. Have a good weekend.